Hey, friend, welcome back to the podcast. Today's episode is about something that touches every corner of our lives: friendship. Whether you're in a new city, in a new season of life, or simply craving deeper connections, this episode is for you. You know, making friends as an adult can feel intimidating. We scroll through social media and see groups of people laughing together and wonder, how did they even find each other? But real connection isn't about luck. It's about small, intentional choices that open the door for meaningful relationships to grow. Before we start, I want to welcome you again to my channel. I'm Alma Joy, a working professional, life coach, and content creator in San Diego, California. And whether you're tuning in on your morning walk, during your commute, or curled up at home, I'm so glad that you're here. All right, cozy up with your favorite drink, and let's talk about 10 simple yet powerful ways to make friends and build genuine relationships that last. 1. Be someone who sees people. People crave to be seen. A simple smile, remembering someone's name, or following up on something that they mentioned, that's where connection begins. For example, I once started chatting with a server who complimented my outfit. The next time I went in, I remembered her name, and that small gesture turned into a friendship that's lasted years. Practice micro moments of connection. Compliment sincerely. Ask one deeper question beyond, "How are you?" Try, "What's something you've been looking forward to this week?" Those small sparks are how friendships start. 2. Be brave enough to go first. We often wait for someone else to take the first step, but real connection takes courage. Invite someone for coffee, compliment their energy, send the first text. When I moved to a new neighborhood, I started hosting tiny get-togethers, just 1 or 2 people at a time. Some became surface-level acquaintances, but a few turned into lifelong friends. Don't wait to be invited. Start small. A walk, a coffee, a shared hobby. You'll be surprised how many people are waiting for someone just like you to go first. 3. Show up consistently. Consistency builds trust. When you keep showing up, not perfectly, but genuinely, people feel safe to be around you. Think of a friend who checks in just because, or a coworker who always remembers your birthday. That's the kind of presence that matters. Set gentle reminders to reach out to one friend a week. Even a quick thinking of you text can mean the world. 4. Build connection around shared moments. Friendship thrives on shared experiences. Cooking dinner together, going for walks, or attending a class. When I joined a Saturday yoga group, I wasn't expecting to meet close friends, but over time, the post-class chats and brunches became a part of my week. Join things you'd enjoy, even if you didn't meet anyone. The right people will find you in those authentic spaces. 5. Practice emotional openness, but gradually. Vulnerability is the bridge to real intimacy, but that doesn't mean oversharing right away. Think of it like a dimmer switch. It's not an on or off button. Share a little, see how it's received, and let the trust grow slowly. Next time you're tempted to say, "I'm fine," try something like, "It's been a tough week, but I'm hanging in there." You'll notice how often people open up in return. 6. Cultivate mutual support. Healthy friendships are two-way streets. It's not just about being there when someone needs you. It's about letting them be there for you. When I went through burnout last year, one of my closest friends reminded me, "You've supported everyone else. Let us support you now." That changed how I viewed our friendship. Say yes when friends offer to help. Let them feel trusted and valued too. 7. Embrace the awkward. Connection is messy sometimes. Texts go unanswered, conversations fizzle, plans fall through. That's okay. Awkwardness is a part of building something real. Don't overthink a slow reply or an awkward hangout. Give grace. Most people are just as nervous as you are. 8. Nurture friendships like a garden. Friendships need tending. Without it, they fade. A voice note, a postcard, a shared playlist. Those are like watering seeds. Create a little connection ritual. Maybe every Sunday night, you reach out to one friend to check in or something that reminded you of them. 9. Create a circle that feels like home. Not every friendship will be deep, and that's okay. Having a few people who get you, that's priceless. Invest in the few who make you feel seen, safe, and supported. Build your circle intentionally, not out of convenience, but connection. 10. Be the friend you wish you had. This might be the most important one. We attract the kind of people we embody. If you want more laughter, bring lightness. If you want more honesty, be real. If you want warmth, offer it freely. Lead with love, give without keeping score, and trust that the right friendships will mirror back what you give. All right, let's recap the 10 cozy ways to make friends and build meaningful relationships. 1. be someone who sees people. 2, be brave enough to go first. 3, show up consistently. 4, build connection through shared moments. 5, practice emotional openness. 6, cultivate mutual support. 7, embrace the awkward. 8, nurture friendships like a garden. 9, create a circle that feels like home. And 10, be the friend you wish you had. Remember, friendship isn't about having a perfect group. It's about creating small moments of connection, one brave, kind gesture at a time. So send that text, say yes to that invite, smile at someone new. You never know which tiny moment you could grow into something beautiful. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who might need a little reminder that connection is still possible, even in this busy digital world. And if you'd like more cozy, uplifting episodes like this, hit follow or subscribe, and let's keep growing together. Until next time, take care and remember, you are enough.